Are you sure this is the right place?
Yeah. There's a pancake right there.
Hello? Man, that smell is overwhelming. I'm gonna take a pancake.
What are you doing? Don't touch it.
Ah! Where's that coming from? Ah! I think we gotta follow the pancakes. It's coming from over here.
I think this is it.
That's the same pancake. They're swapping the same pancake.
It's PancakeSwap. That's what they do.
What's up, Moonrats? Welcome to Recap Crypto, the fastest growing YouTube channel in all of the interwebs. I'm Joey Pepperoni. Let's recap that crypto. I'm gonna show you guys how to use PancakeSwap for transaction fees under 50 cents. There are a few different wallets you can use. I found that the easiest and best way to use PancakeSwap is with Trust Wallet. Step 1, download the app. The app is available for iOS and Android. Simply go to the App Store and download the app. You will need to set up a new wallet. They give you a 12-word secret phrase, and it's very important to save these 12 words because if you lose them, you won't be able to access your wallet. I have already done that step and created a new wallet for this tutorial. If you're using an Apple iOS, there's a step you need to do to get your wallet to work properly. After you create your new wallet, you need to open up Safari. You need to type in trust, :2/browser _enable. I'll also have that in the description below. Without doing this step, you won't be able to use the browser section of the Trust Wallet with an iOS. Type that in, press go, and then click open. Now your wallet is ready to use with PancakeSwap. Step 2, you're going to need to get some BNB into your wallet. You can get it from the app, or you can send it from US Binance or KuCoin. There's a lot of different ways you can get it. But once you get it into the app, you're going to need to convert it to the Binance Smart Chain. Simply click more, then swap to Smart Chain. Now convert however much you want to convert to the Binance Smart Chain to be able to shop on PancakeSwap. What's cool about this wallet is that you can use Uniswap and PancakeSwap all within the same wallet. I'll show you how quick and easy it is to use. Go to the PancakeSwap site from the DApps browser. It'll take you to the homepage. It already recognizes my wallet. Keep in mind that you need BNB to pay for fees, so always have a little bit there just in case. Let's select cake. You put in the amount that you wanted to get, and you click on swap. After you click on swap, it'll tell you what your order is, and then you click confirm swap. You will get a confirmation screen that's going to show you what you're ordering. So to confirm it, you would just press send, and then you would see the cake in your wallet. Look here on PancakeSwap, you can stake your cake, and you can earn more cake. You can also enter the lottery. Let's enter the lottery. Yup! Now you're ready to use PancakeSwap. That's all I got for you. Be blessed. Be sure to smash that like button, subscribe, drop a comment below. See you later, Moonrats.